guys, welcome to SEMA 2019. Plenty of great manufacturers here. Let's go check out the ACT booth. This year, ACT is introducing a new clutch that's a big problem solver for enthusiasts with turbocharged 4-cylinder power plants.
We're really excited that we can release a twin disc clutch for the Mitsubishi Evo and for the Subaru STI. The problem is that with those engines, the turbo 4-cylinders just have a lot of torsional vibration, and they're notoriously hard on clutches. Well, what we did is we created a clutch that's modular that can take different friction materials. You can have spring center, solid center, you can put a different diaphragm in it. You can do it right in your garage. It all just comes together. And so it's rebuildable. All the wear surfaces are hardened. It addresses all the shortcomings that we've seen on other brands. And it's going to be a clutch that'll hold a lot of power, be streetable, easy on the pedal, and still last a long time.
And if you have any questions about this new twin disc clutch, ACT has a simple solution for that problem as well.
Well, come to our website, advancedclutch.com. You can also, we have live chat right on our website, email, everything. We're very responsive to our live chat. You will get it answered.